Hi renovators, again welcome to my page. So just check the description below for my Facebook channel and also my YouTube channel. So for this episode, I will just discuss all about toilet bowl. Let's go! So for today's topic, I will just talk all about toilet bowls. So toilet bowl kasi in layman's term, yun yung pinaka-common na maririnig nyo. Pero ang pinaka-technical term talaga niya is tinatawag, lalo na pag sa mga architects or engineers ang kausap nyo, tulad namin is, ang pinakatawag is yung tinatawag na water closet. So, ayun. So, I will give some factors to consider on choosing your proper toilet bowl or water closet. So, factor number 1, price, of course. Kumbaga, syempre, i-discuss and check nyo always yung price sa proposal. At the same time, i-discuss nyo rin sa contractor nyo, sa architect or engineer. So, of course, pag ang toilet bowl nyo is medyo nasa low budget ka lang, ang usually prices ng mga toilet bowl is nagre-range from 5,000 to 10,000. So, kung medyo may budget ka kahit papaano na at medyo gusto mo na branded, ang range price naman niya ng toilet bowl is aabot naman ng 10k to 20k. Pero pag medyo high-end talaga at medyo may budget ka naman is nagre-range mostly ang toilet bowl from 20,000 to up to 100,000. So, of course, mostly yung mga brand na yun, either European brand or American brand din also. So, medyo marami naman sa market ng toilet bowl. So, just check on the prices. Of course, always ask your contractor, your architect or engineer about the prices nung mga toilet bowl na mapipili nyo. So, syempre, ako suggest ko pa rin kung ano yung kaya ng budget nyo, at the same time kung medyo naggigipit or may budget naman, kumbaga iayon nyo kung ano yung nasa budget nyo. Kumbaga is wag nyo pilitin kung masyado mahal, edi wag nyo nang bilhin. Marami ng mga other brands and also quality na toilet bowls. So, ayun. So, factor number 2 na i-consider nyo pag choosing ng toilet bowls, of course, yung pinaka-size niya. Mostly naman standard ng mga sizes ng toilet bowls. So, medyo nagkakaiba-iba lang yan sa pinaka tinatawag niya na toilet bowl na tank. Sa tank. So, doon mostly nagkakaiba-iba ng dimensions. So, meron kasi mga toilet bowl tank na nasa ibabaw, nasa ilalim ng toilet bowl. So, medyo kakain siya ng space. Kumbaga, before buying the toilet bowl, make sure na yung size is fit dun sa pinaka-toilet nyo. So, ayun. Factor number 3 na i-consider nyo when choosing a toilet bowl is brands. So, of course, there are lots of brands in the market. You just check the Lazada, Shopee, or other shopping website, Amazon. So, after nyo ma-check yun, I suggest na i-check nyo yung pinaka-reviews ng mga toilet bowls. So, doon nyo makikita kung masasatisfy kayo or hindi. Doon sa mga reviews. At the same time, pwede nyo rin naman i-check yung mga suppliers website. Most of the toilet bowls naman ay may mga website yan. So, just check also. So, kung fit ba yung toilet bowl na sa prefer nyo. Of course, kaya nga tinatawag na brand. So, sometimes, of course, customers, they much prefer na branded. They much prefer na branded with the right budget. So, ayun, depende pa rin sa inyo. Pero, yun ang isa sa i-consider nyo rin. Factor number 4 na i-consider nyo when choosing a toilet bowl is specification. Of course, check the specifications ng toilet bowl, especially the dimensions, and i-discuss nyo to sa contractor nyo, sa architect or engineer nyo, kung ano yung pinaka-specs ng toilet bowl na napili nyo. Kasi, syempre, much better kung kumbaga is fitted yung toilet bowl na napili nyo dun sa toilet na area. Kasi syempre, pag masyadong malaki, hindi na maganda yon or masikip para sa CR. So yun, independe nyo pa rin yung specifications nung toilet bowl. So, much better kung nasa store kayo is magdala kayo ng metro, sukatin nyo. Kasi much better na at least hindi kayo magsisisi sa huli na nakabili na kayo, yung pala hindi pala kasya, masikip. So, yun ang pinaka-factor number 4 na important specifications. So, ayun, renovators, hopefully nakatulong ako sa inyo sa mga konting tips na ito. Again, bye!